Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Do you need a panel PC that's built to perform in the most demanding industrial environments? Well, today we'll be taking a look at one of our fanless industrial panel PCs that's powered by an Intel Core Ultra processor. It's the PC1500 Series. Let's take a look. The PC1500 Series is powered by Intel Core Ultra Series 1 processors, available with either the Ultra 5 125U or Ultra 7 155U CPU, delivering powerful performance for SCADA systems and other demanding applications. It's available with up to 2 terabytes of fast M.2 NVMe storage and up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, providing smooth performance for multitasking and resource-intensive applications. The PC1500 series supports a range of operating systems, including Windows 10 IoT, Windows 11 IoT Enterprise, Windows 11 Pro, and Ubuntu Linux, with an operating temperature range of 32 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. Along with a rugged steel chassis and aluminum heatsink, the PC1500 series is built for harsh industrial environments. There is the PC1500 APH series, which features 1000 nit high brightness displays and is available in sizes ranging from a 10-inch, 12-inch, 15-inch, 15.6-inch, 17-inch, 19-inch, and a 21.5-inch. Then there's the standard brightness PC1500 AP series, which includes all the same size options, plus an additional 27-inch model. Also, the entire PC1500 series features high-resolution projective capacitive touchscreens for responsive multi-touch operation, and they can either be panel or VESA mounted. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the PC1500 series, and this is the 10-inch model. This is a PC1510 AP. When you first open the box, you will see the Maple Systems warranty. Underneath that is the PC1000 series quick start guide. And then there will be the accessories box. And in your accessories box, you'll have the DC power input connector with leads. Then there will be the panel mounting brackets and screws, and also the 100 by 100 millimeter VESA mounting screws. And if you purchase the optional Wi-Fi kit, you will receive a Wi-Fi antenna. Now let's remove the PC1510 AP from the box. It'll be encased in foam and wrapped in anti-static plastic. So let's remove it from the box. Let's remove it from the foam and remove it from the anti-static plastic. And there will be a screen protector on it. And here is the PC1510 AP. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O. On the bottom of the unit, starting on the left, there is the DC input power connector. Then there's the momentary illuminated power button, one 3.5 millimeter audio mic in, one 3.5 millimeter audio line out. Then there are 2 USB 2.0 host ports. Then there is one DE9P serial COM port, which is defaulted to RS232, but it can also be RS422 and RS485. Then there's another DE9P serial COM port, which is configurable for RS232. Then there's one HDMI output. Then there's one DisplayPort output, 4 USB 3.0 host ports. Then there are 2 Ethernet ports. LAN 1 is an Intel i226LM 2.5 gigabit RJ45 port, and that supports vPro. And then LAN 2 is an Intel i226V 2.5 gigabit RJ45 port. And on the sides are the thumb screws for mounting. On the top of the PC is where the optional Wi-Fi antenna would be installed. And this is if you purchase the optional Wi-Fi package. On the back is where the 4 VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mounting screw holes are located. Then on one side is where the model name and build number are located, and you'll want to reference these when reordering the unit. This is also where you'll find the OS configuration. You can purchase an embedded or a non-embedded Windows license. If you purchase an embedded Windows license, the product key will be located here underneath the build number, and this means it's already activated before it leaves Maple Systems, making the unit plug and play right out of the box. You can also purchase a non-embedded Windows license, which is located on the other side of the PC. This means you will need to scratch off the code right here and activate the license yourself when you receive the unit. Alternatively, Ubuntu Linux OS is also an option. All right, now I've got the PC1510 AP out of the box, and I've gone over all the features in the I/O. Now I'm going to demonstrate powering up the unit. So I've got my PC1510 AP connected to a power supply, and I'm going to go ahead and power it on, and Windows will start up. And there's the user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that wraps up everything today. And remember, for demanding industrial applications that require powerful performance and reliable operation, the PC1500 Series industrial panel PCs are built to get the job done. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure to give it a like and please subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page to receive notifications on our latest video content. To get more information on our PC1500 Series or our full industrial panel PC lineup, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.